Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to block website using host files on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you are looking to restrict access to certain websites for yourself or your family, editing the host file is a straightforward and effective method. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process of locating host file, making the necessary edits to block specific websites, and saving your changes. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, so no matter which version you are using, you can follow along easily. So let's go to this PC. In this PC, please go to C drive. In the C drive, please go to Windows. In Windows, please find System 32 folder. Let's go to System 32 folder. And in System 32 folder, we're supposed to find the drivers. Let's go to the folder drivers and then we have to go to etc folder. Let's go ahead. Now here we have to make some changes in the host file. So once you find this host file, please copy this and save it somewhere on your computer. Please note that if you try to edit and save it on the same place, you will not be able to save it here, and also you will not have the backup of this file. So to make sure we are going correctly, we will copy this file to our desktop and then we will right click on the host file and we need to open this file with Notepad. Let's go ahead and open it with Notepad. Okay, let's maximize. Now in this file, you will find we have a lot of text starting with the hash sign. So this hash sign is going to ignore the text in front of it. And each new line will be the new rule for Windows Firewall. So let's suppose we want to block the Facebook on our computer by entering 0.0.0.0. We have entered the IP address that leads nowhere. So let's type facebook.com in front of this IP address and also 0.0.0.0. We want to enter www.facebook.com. So here we have make sure that we have blocked facebook.com completely, and you could follow this format to block any website completely. So let's go ahead and save this host file here. File, save, that's fine. Let's close it. Please make sure you don't made any other changes to the text of this file. So let's go ahead and copy this host file to this folder here. Once you will copy and paste this host file into the system32 driver and etc folder, this will ask you to replace the file in the destination. So that's fine. Let's click on replace the file in the destination and I want to click continue. Okay, now the host file has been replaced. Let's go to our browser and now try to open facebook.com. Let's see, any other website is working fine. CNN, perfect. So we have successfully blocked the Facebook in this example. Let's say we want to unblock Facebook back. Let's go ahead and open this notepad file and please remove these both lines. Please save this file and again we are going to replace the host file here. So let's paste the host file and click on replace the file in destination and click on continue. Now our Facebook should be working fine. Open up any browser. Okay, let's refresh the page and looks like Facebook is now getting open on my laptop. So that's it about today's to the point and quality tutorial on how to block website using host files on Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.